How to create PayPal account, laptop, and PC. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a PayPal account on your laptop or PC. PayPal is a widely used online payment system that allows you to send and receive money securely. Setting up an account is straightforward and opens up a variety of options for online transactions. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser you want to use. After you open any web browser you want to use, click the search bar and type paypal.com. As you can see, mine is already on the website. Before you do this, make sure that you have your own email account, like Yahoo or Gmail, and the phone number because you need those to create the account for PayPal. If you have an email account and a phone number, click the sign up button beside the login button. From here, there is an option before you create an account where they will ask you where you want to use PayPal. The option is for personal and for business. I'm going to choose the personal option since I already created an account. After you choose, click the Get Started to start the process. From here, you just have to type your email address, like Yahoo or Gmail. After that, just click the Next button to do the rest of the steps for creating a PayPal. Congratulations! You have successfully created your PayPal account. You can now send and receive money, shop online, and manage your finances more easily. Remember to keep your account information secure and consider enabling additional security features like two-factor authentication for enhanced protection. Explore PayPal's features to maximize your online transaction experience.